Hello, and welcome to Golden Touch, Romania. When you buy a new trumpet, it is in perfect condition. But, with the passage of time, signs of wear begin to appear. Small accidents lead to bends, the leg begins to jump, and instead, the brass begins to oxidize. After a while, you find that your instrument is not at all like when you bought it. It may sound just as good, but the aesthetic aspect leaves much to be desired. This is also the situation of the client who brought us to restore the trumpet that we want to present to you today, an American instrument made by the prestigious producer, HARRELSON. In addition to the signs of wear that are normally found on an instrument, it was dropped into the bell, which suffered a rather ugly bend. The leg jumped from many areas of wear, and many other minor bends can be seen. The original finish was a raw brass in matte, over which a gold lacquer was applied. Let's look for a few moments at the trumpet as it was brought by the client. Ultrasonic cleaning is the first step after the trumpet has been repaired and polished. Silver plating followed. The client asked for the final finish, brushed silver on the body, and shiny silver slides and bell. The finger buttons were first polished, then silver plated, and then gold plated, along with the other elements with 24-karat gold. After the instrument has been assembled, greased and tested, this is what the final product looks like. If you want to see more projects, visit our Facebook page. Thank you for watching Golden Touch Projects videos. Be well.